Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 3. Room category 4. Room category 5. Room category 6. Category 7. Room category 8. Room category 9. Room category 10. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 10 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various payment plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to our channel, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.